Hey, what up guys, it's your buddy Hero, and did you know that Microsoft confirms CrowdStrike update also hits Windows 365 PCs? Oh my god, Microsoft says a faulty CrowdStrike Falcon update which caused widespread outage, crashing Windows systems worldwide, also resulted in Windows 365 Cloud PCs getting stuck in reboot loops, rendering them unusable. So according to Microsoft's page on the service health status page, right, we have been aware of an issue impacting virtual machines running Windows Client and Windows Server, running the CrowdStrike Falcon agent, which may encounter bug check, be the blue screen of death, and get stuck in a restarting state. So according to CrowdStrike, of our additionals that impacted around July 19, right? So I don't know, guys. For Windows devices affected by the faulty update, the security firm provided instructions on rebooting Windows devices into safe mode or the recovery environment and manually removing the problematic kernel driver. However, recovery is more limited or time-consuming for Windows 365 Cloud PCs that have CrowdStrike installed. This is because Windows 365 Cloud PCs are virtual machines running in the cloud and do not offer access to these recovery options. For Windows 365 Cloud PCs, Microsoft recommends restarting the affected VMs as many as 15 times via the Azure portal. This troubleshooting step provides effective for some Windows admins when trying to recover from these reboot loops. What do you guys think, man? So these outages impacted many organizations, services worldwide. Of course, you guys know about it. Banks, airlines, airports, TV stations, hospitals taking offline entire companies and fleets of hundreds of thousands of devices. And CrowdStrike is working on the solution already, but the Microsoft 365 outage impacted services. Windows Defender, Intune, Teams, Power BI, Fabric, OneNote, OneDrive for Business, SharePoint Online, Windows 365 Records, Viva Engage, Microsoft Purview, and the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. All of that's all effective. Even the Xbox support was also confirmed to have the issue on the Xbox Live service, saying gamers had problems logging into their accounts. Alright guys, so that's it for my rant on this. And so it still drives me crazy how something like this that can be tested in the test production before pushing it out can affect everything worldwide. Right, so enough of me rambling. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more content. Hopefully you guys didn't get the blue screen of death. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Remember, if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do so. Remember, it's one of the best ways to support the channel for free. And then stay tuned for more content coming soon. And it's your boy The Hero, signing out.